back to fashion with Bana. Today, you are in for a treat because I'm sharing a jewelry try-on that's nothing short of magical. We have bold, statement chunky gold pieces, delicate and romantic floral designs, and the ever-enchanting Turkish rings that bring a royal, vintage charm. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the sparkle. Let's start with chunky gold jewelry, the ultimate statement maker. These pieces are for women who want to stand out with elegance and confidence. Look at the shine, the weight, and the craftsmanship. Chunky gold isn't just an accessory, it's a powerful style statement. Whether you're pairing it with a plain black dress or a vibrant party outfit, chunky gold instantly elevates your look. The bangles have a solid, luxurious feel, and the necklaces sit perfectly to frame the face. This style has been loved for decades, and for good reason. It never goes out of fashion. Now let's move to my personal favorite, floral jewelry. Floral designs capture the beauty of nature and turn it into wearable art. The bold gemstones, the antique gold finish, and the heritage-inspired patterns. Every curve, every stone placement speaks of tradition and artistry passed down for generations. Take this flower bloom ring, for example. Each petal is carefully detailed, and the shine makes it look like it's blooming right on your finger. Floral earrings add a soft, feminine touch to any look, and the best part, they suit everyone, from young girls to elegant ladies. And now, the showstopper Turkish jewelry. There's something truly special about Turkish designs. These rings don't just accessorize your hand, they tell a story. When you wear a Turkish ring, you're not just wearing jewelry, you're wearing history, luxury, and culture all at once. Here are some quick tips to style these beauties perfectly. Here are some quick tips to style these beauties perfectly. One, chunky gold necklace plus simple dress. Let your jewelry do the talking. Keep your outfit minimal to highlight the gold. Two, floral earrings plus light makeup, perfect for a fresh, romantic look that works for both day and night. Three, Turkish ring plus gold bangles, the ultimate royal combo. Wear it for weddings, parties, or any special occasion. Pro tip: always showcase your jewelry under warm lighting. It brings out the richness in gold and the sparkle in stones. So my friends, that was my chunky gold, floral jewelry, and Turkish rings try-on from Fashion with Bana. Which piece stole your heart today? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your favorites. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your jewelry-loving friends, and subscribe so you never miss the sparkle. Thank you so much for watching Fashion with Bana. Until next time, stay stylish and keep shining. Bye for now!